Looks like the battery's running out here. I found a cave, well, the cave I was going to yesterday, and this cave goes into the depths of the mountain. God, I think it goes back about almost half a kilometer, and it's absolutely huge. This huge cavernous cave. There's smaller little sub caves with more condensed feeling to them, and slightly more expansiveness feelings in this cave. And it turns out that there's a yogi who's been meditating in this cave for 25 years, and it was really interesting. So I got to sit and meditate with him for a little bit. He was kind enough to let me do that. Gave me a little square of carpet to sit on, and man, it was really cool. So what I noticed in this cave when I walked to the back is I would flip my light off, and I just hung out and practiced for a little while. And anyone who you don't have to have spent that much time in caves, you'll recognize there's a feeling of, well, that earth element gets real strong. There can be an incredible stillness, and also in relation to the earth element, check out these birds up here. Also in relation to the earth element, there's very often an incredible density to the cave, to the feeling and the quality of the energy. What was really interesting about this cave is that while it had the stillness component, that quiet, it also had a lightness inside it, a very airy quality. And the energy was very light, not just buoyant from a perspective of not heavy, but there was a literal type of light if you're practicing with light qualities in your meditation. And another interesting thing was that when I would flip off my light, once I let my eyes adjust, even though it was pitch black and I couldn't see anything, there was this really interesting phenomena that I could literally see the light emanating from my own eyes out into the environment. And I've never had this in other pitch black scenarios, or in other caves for that matter. It was as if the literal light of the mind, this sort of Shenming type of thing, I could physically or clairvoyantly see the light of my own self and consciousness permeating out from my own eyes, which was really cool. A fun experience. And then I got to sit with this old man who showed me the 25 years worth of beard growth that he had to signify his 25 years of practice in this cave. And he spoke no English. Well, he spoke the words 25 years and pointed to his mat. He spoke Sanskrit and Hindi, neither of which are languages that I have any familiarity with. And we just sat together, and it was just another lesson in terms of the potency of actually cultivating your capacity to feel subtle energy and refining that, because you're able to sit in a situation like this and pick up the transmission. And it's not something that's stuck to this one experience. This is something I can take with me. This man, the joy and happiness radiating from his eyes was just off the charts. And so I was able to pick up this transmission from him, and it's something that I can develop and work with as long as I wish. It's there. And it's incredible. Now, I'm not arrogant enough to think that that's everything that this man is capable of. We sat together while he chanted, and the energy reorganized things in different ways, specifically in relation to a type of cosmic love and union, a rapture in relation to this joyous love type of quality. Now, of course there's more there. I think it's pretty foolish to think that in, an hour or two of sitting with this guy that I picked up his entire 25 years of life's work in his meditation in this cave. But there's a lot there that I did pick up. And so, I'm very fortunate to be able to recognize the transmission and act on it through further practice and exploration. So anyway, I didn't take any pictures or video while I was there. There are some experiences that are not meant for being filmed and taken pictures of, but I did want to share a little bit of this because it is a really fun type of experience you can have. And the more you cultivate your subtle sense gates and the stillness inside you, the more you'll be able to perceive the changes and shifts when in situations like this, so that you can take them with you. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this, and not a bad view, hey? All right, bye.